Good morning po. Thank you, Coach Needs, no? No, to start, Needs sa intro. Thank you so much, Coach Needs sa intro. To start with my piece, let me tell you konting kwento po about myself. Ako po si Coach Liza, 66 years old, from Cavite. I met Herbalife po sa office on a weight loss challenge conducted, and fortunate enough na Herbalife distributor po yung nag-explain the mechanics on how to lose weight the healthy way. And using our products, my favorite of which, aside from our shake, aloe and tea, our NRG, cell complex, the duo of fiber bond and net fiber and herb, vitamins, the heart health products, among others. And in the process, I lost 25 pounds and I really felt different. Ano po, that I became more energetic. Hindi ko na po na-feel ang sakit ng paa walking sa Jones Bridge on an everyday schedule on my way to the office in Binondo after several days taking the good nutrition. But, and di maganda sa, before Herbalife po, I headed our insurance treaty accounting department, doing more of credit and collection, communicating with our foreign counterparts. And ang di maganda doon sa previous experience ko nun is yung 8 to 5 work schedule na medyo stressful, especially on month ends, quarterly, and year ends. Kasi need mo i-reconcile lahat ng record sa libro. Nakakapagod. Okay, and using Herbalife products with the best nutrition I can get, every day is just another day and feeling energized, healthy, and vibrant. Siyempre, napansin ka ng mga kasama mo, no? Kumbaga, bakit parang hindi ka natutulog? Kasi usually, we sleep, ano? We sleep sa desk mo pagka break time. Hindi ako nakakatulog. Talaga naman lakad ako ng lakad. Doon ako napansin. No po? Doon ako napansin na ano nangyayari sa'yo, bakit ka lumiliit, ganyan, ba't ang sigla-sigla mo, ganito. And simula noon to these days, di na mawala sa akin na mabanggit sa mga tao na nakasalamuha ko ng goodness ng Prada. Mag-Herbalife kayo. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa kanila, ano? Especially so if makaka-attend ng extravaganza yung mga na-invite nyo this coming May 2025, ano? For learning are abundant for self-improvement and one's business as well. Kaya let's always make it a point to share the goodness of Herbalife Nutrition para po makatulong tayo to others who need the opportunity. Okay? Now, to continue, no po, ayan, ang ating pong topic ngayon is about optimum nutrition to the elderly. No po, ayan, a guide to supporting healthy and vitality in aging adults, an article of Dr. David Heber. Ano po, ayan. And ito po, no, yung to continue, the best part of living a good life is acquiring quality health, especially through the golden and productive age, and ensuring well-being and comfort through the less active years. No po. And the World Health Organization, their enormous research and work in advocating healthy lifestyles and diet, defines healthy aging as the process of developing and maintaining the functional ability that enables well-being in older age. Ayan po, makikita nyo sa screen ang rate ng malnutrition by age with highest figures sa elders. Ano po, yan. And according to WHO pa rin, in order to lead a healthy and fulfilling life, a complete functional ability is needed so that individuals can meet their basic needs, are mobile, learn, maintain healthy relationship, and contribute to society. No po. And ano daw po ba ang meaning ng healthy aging? Yun po yung 78% being physically active, 76% mentally active or alert, 71% walang sakit while aging, 67 enjoying life to the fullest or still actively pursuing goals and dreams, and 63 the burdens of family. Bakit? Healthy kasi. Nafa, yan. Nutrition has come to be recognized by experts as one of the most critical contributors to healthy aging. And optimum nutrition is imperative for health in person over the age of 65 And malnutrition in the elderly is highly prevalent and often underdiagnosed. Hindi masyadong napapansin. Sad to say, totoo po yan. Ano po? Now, so the next, ano naman po natin, ayan. Now, ito naman, an in-depth study revealed that 35% of community-dwelling elderly are nutritionally deficient in protein, calories, minerals, and vitamins. Ano po? Yan. And lack of proper amount of protein and sedentary lifestyle can lead to loss of muscles and gain of fat. Makikita po ninyo dyan sa ating, dun sa physical inactivity, yung po mga nakasulat dyan. Yan po, totoo yung nangyayari pagka po tayo nutritionally deficient. Ano po? And ayun po, the elderly population in Asia is becoming more conscious of their nutrition needs and are turning to functional foods that aim to promote better health, longevity by keeping chronic disease at bay. Ano po bang sinasabing functional foods? Sa screen, makikita natin aside from plants, vegetables, nuts, and fruits or our shake na pwede niyo pong gamitin. Yan po yung ating shake. Ano? Sa fish naman po, ayan ang ating mga gagamitin na ano po, magiging effect sa atin ng pagkain ng fish na andyan po, or taking ating Herbal Lifeline with omega-3, no po, rich in omega-3. And ito po yung ating probiotics for better health. Ayan. Next po. Ayan. Wait lang po. Now, we have naman the challenges of healthy aging and nutrition. Number one of which is the global aging trends. The global aging trends naman po, ano po, the global population of individuals aged 60 years or above increased from 9.2% to 11 between 1990 and 2013. And by 2050, this percentage is estimated to reach 21.1 with nearly 2.1 billion elderly individuals worldwide. O, di ba? Nakakaano naman na dadami talaga yung aalagaan nyo. Siguro by that time, wala na ako. And in Asia, older persons are expected to constitute 24% of the population po by 2050. Okay. And ito naman po yung number 2, concerns and outlook. People express genuine concerns about aging healthily. Pero marami po ang kulang sa confidence in achieving this goal. No? Sa ngayon po kasi, takot ang tao regarding sa health, baka magkaroon ng acute illness na kung papansin lamang na pwedeng maalagaan ng ating mga senior by holistic caring and not focusing on medicine alone, letting them feel the love above all else. Ano po? Kasi minsan, kahit ka walang medicine meron akong na-experience na masaya sila, nakita mo sila, tapos biglang namatay. They died happily. Why? Napansin mo sila, but sabi nga, kung oras mo na, oras mo na. Pero yung concerns natin, nakita natin sila, nabigyan naman natin sila ng gamot, namatay sila, very happy. Okay, ano yan. Ang number 3 naman po, ang ating healthcare gaps and solution. Yan po. Concerns around aging stems from gaps in healthcare systems and the lack of standardized practices and guidelines for elderly care. Kinukulang ang concerns needed for our elderly, yung tulungan natin sila to get rid of living a sedentary lifestyle and di commodated na, nakaupo na lang and wait for the sun to settle down. Ayan, ano po. Community-based and commercial program can address sedentary life and poor nutrition. Ano po? Yung bigyan natin sila ng mga community programs, ano po, kung kaya. In summary, addressing the challenges of healthy aging and nutrition requires collaboration, innovation, and a holistic approach, no? Let's work together to create an environment of seniors, okay? An environment of seniors for to create a healthier environment for our seniors. Ayan. So next naman po, how aging happens. Ito po, no po. There are multiple theories around aging. However, there isn't one reason for why our cells change and grow old, and researchers are juggling between multiple possible explanations. Well, there is an internal process in cells that is genetically based, with some individual aging faster, the other called intrinsic. Ano po? Ano po ba yung sinasabing ganun? Kasi nga po, pag sinabing intrinsic, yun po yung nangyayari o nagmamanifest ang skin natin, nagkakaroon ng nagtithin as we age. Na po, pansin nyo naman po yan. Sa mga bata pa, medyo napaka-smooth ng skin. And as we age, medyo nagkukulubot-kulubot na yan kasi nga po naghihigitan na sila, tumatanda na kasi. Ano po? Kaya kung hindi mo pababayaan ang sarili mo, you can age gracefully. Alright? Yung hindi papayat ng husto, yung hindi magkakaroon super lawlaw na katawan. How? By healthy living. Live healthy para po mag-age din tayo ng maganda. Ano po? Ayan. Kasi without living healthy, medyo mahihirapan po tayo noon, no? Magkakaroon tayo ng hindi magandang skin. And ayun naman po, yung pong how aging happens then yung sa extrinsic naman po. As we age, iwasan na po natin na uh, magano ba, maglalabas ng husto or magbilad sa araw or magpainit or lumakad ng walang payong. In short, wag po tayong lalakad ng walang payong tayo mga tumatanda na. Ayan, ano po? Kasi bakit? The more sun na kumapit sa katawan mo, yun eh. Kumbaga, tuyo na nga tayo, magpapatuyo ka pa sa sun. Eh di, ang pangit naman nun, no? Nadadagdagan kapangitan. Kailangan lagi tayong maganda. Yan. Matanda na tayo pero kailangan lagi tayong maganda. Yan. Okay. Next naman po natin, ano po, yung practical tips. Ayan. Meron po tayong practical tips and checklist on elderly care and nutrition. Ano po? Number one, ayan, ang sabi nga dito, it is also critical to start the health and nutrition journey earlier. Na po? Kasi beyond 50s, it is important to consciously make effort to keep both the body and mind active through community and social engagement. Yung pong, kulang na lang sabihin ko, makapagchismisan. Na po? Kailangan po kasi natin maganda, meron tayong halimbawa, the community, yung sinasabi po kanina sa healthy breakfast natin ni Coach Cecil, na magkaroon tayo ng community. Ano po? And the contribution of healthcare professionals in this regard can be immense in helping individuals work to get towards their older age early. No? Sorry. Stay calorie wise and nutrition dense. Ayun, ano po, we have come across innumerable reasons that may lead to malnourishment in the elderly and a few practical tips and checklists for hospitals. Caregivers and therapy centers on elderly care and nutrition can be very helpful in dealing with this issue. The number one po, as I said, is the stay calorie wise and nutrition dense. Well, ito, most seniors have a small appetite and therefore their meal plan should be full of nutrition-rich foods that do not volume to the diet. No po, kailangan lang yan. Nakikita niyo po sa picture. In the picture, you will see which one is healthy and more advisable to take. No po, vegetable that will fill your stomach with good calories and nutrition, or the beef that won't fill your stomach at once that you will need more to fill the gap. Be wise in choosing. Ano po? Kasi nga po yan, mabubusog ka sa beef, kakain ka ng kakain. How much calories do you think ang mag-fill ng iyong tiyan sa picture na yan? Ano po? Ayan. Number two naman po, the mix it up. Okay? The dance of taste and flavor diminishes in most old age individuals, and therefore, feel free to spice up and herbify the meal. Lagyan po natin ng masasarap na lasa. Ano po? Huwag man masyado kasi masama din naman po masyadong spicy or masyadong yung mga ingredients natin. Kasi ang turmeric, cumin, basil, coriander, which are vegetable in nature, lemongrass are not just adding to flavor, but have health benefits associated too. So, sorry, do the mixing of better choices for better health. Okay, now, ito naman po, next naman po tayo. Practical tips on Practical tips and checklist on elderly care and nutrition. Number one, many meals in a plan. Na po, many meals for the elderly should be small, frequent, and lack non-nutritious fill-up food options completely sa matatanda. Yan ha. Pero kung sa mga bata, effective din yan. Para at least from childhood, tatanda kayo, kumbaga conscious na kayo sa health. Okay? Water should be ample, fresh juice in moderation, and coffee, tea, carbonated drinks should be avoided para din sa kanilang kalusugan. Right? Now, number 4, it's not just a meal. Napa, in older age, eating is not just about consumption of a meal served, but the inability to execute as many social interactions and physical activities in old age can lead to monotony and boredom. Food can be a way to break this monotony. No po, yan, yung food, bibigyan natin sila ng food. For hospital and elderly care setups, special initiatives should be taken to break the routine like adding more color to the food, organizing brunch and lunches in open space, and socializing opportunities for the elderly during their meals. No po, para di sila mainip. Sa atin naman, limbawa, nasa bahay, kwentuhan mo. No po, kung may oras ka din lang, kwentuhan mo yung elderly natin. Bigyan mo sila ng food na kailangan nila, nutritious kailangan nila, hindi basta meal. Okay? Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng it's not just the meal. Yung care po natin, napakalaking bagay yung appeal ng ating elderly, yung care natin sa kanila. Alright? Now, next naman po natin, ayan, is yung supplement the missing nutrients. Kung if ever, no po, supplements, the vitamins, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron supplements are imperative for the elderly as their bodies gradually lose the potential to absorb nutrients from foods. And in order to keep the essential macro and micronutrients levels in the body, supplementation should be included whenever needed. So sa screen, you will see our different, the start early age earlier products that will take care of our body. Ayan po, kailangan natin the digestive health for our digestive, the heart health, the bone health, and the eye health. Complete supplements. Ano po? Then start your day right with our nutritious, healthy breakfast. And with our supplementations, nobody will go wrong. Okay. And last but not the least po, eto, yan. The train for fitness, no po. It's a physical activity is as essential po as a nutritious meal for the elderly, and hospitals and elderly care centers should invest spaces and trainers for exercises and physical activities and recreation. No po. Kasi ito po, no, ang sabi nga dito, physical activity is as essential as a nutritious meal to the elderly. Na po. Fitness plan schedule should be created for the elderly and adhered to as well. Po. Mas maganda kung maiinganyo natin ang ating elderly to at least take a walk every morning if nasa bahay or if nasa hospital naman as a stationary exercise also encouraged para po di manakit lalo ang kalamnan sa pagkahiga or opo most of the time. Okay. Kasi nga po, ang elderly, sabihin na natin sila yung kulang sa pansin. Feeling nila kulang sila sa pansin. Feeling lang po yun. Mahal natin ang ating elders. Right? Love na love po natin silang lahat. Okay? And with that po, sana may natutunan kayo na pwedeng i-apply sa mga elders ng pamilya. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And back to you, Coach Needs. Salamat po.